What's up everyone, I'm going to make this a really short video. If you own one of these Chinese Mini Excavators, this is the NT18K, you've probably heard of the spring mod before. Now what it is you just lift up this boot here on the joystick and you have these little cylinders here and you're going to put a spring over that. Have the springs right here in this envelope. Now I know there's a guy online selling that as a kit for these mini excavators and I think he wants around $30. This cost me $10 or $15. I'll put the link below. These are the exact same springs, but you're just ordering them from the actual spring person, like the spring company, not the guy selling it as a kit. So I'll open these up here and we'll get that installed on there. So what it does is when you're using this joystick, it gives some resistance on there. So when you're using the joystick, the moves aren't so sudden as you have that resistance there, so it seems a bit smoother when you're operating. So here's a look at one of the springs. So the wire diameter is 1.2 millimeters. The outer diameter of the spring is 13 millimeters, and then the length of the spring is 15 millimeters. So you just lift this boot up here. I'll see if I can do it with one hand. Should be able to, it's pretty easy. And you just stick that spring right over there. I might need two hands. Okay, of course, when I drop the camera down, I can do it with one hand. But see, it's just as simple as that. You got the glare with the light there. That spring just sits there. And now you got some resistance there. Oh yeah, look how easy that moves that way where there's no spring yet. And then this way, there's definitely resistance. I'm gonna get the rest of the springs on this one. But you can see, so there's 4 per side. Now look at that, that has some nice resistance now. So when you're using it, you're not just ramming it when you're just using the joystick so lightly. Now you'll have to put some pressure on it. So hopefully it'll make it move more smoothly. I think that's the idea. So I'll drop the link down. If you guys want to do your own spring mod for less than that guy's selling it as a kit, you can just buy the springs yourself. Thanks for watching.